What's going on, everyone? Destin here, back at it again with another switch review video. Today we'll be talking about the WingTree YuYing Linear Switches. A new switch manufacturer, these switches offer factory lubed at $3.50, or hand lubed with 24mm single stage TTC springs for $6.50. Being a new switch manufacturer, they hit the grounds running, offering two variants of linear switches and two tactile switches. Some may say they're comparable to Cherry switches, but I personally feel like they kinda got their own thing going, and I'm liking it. Coming with 10 switches in the pack, these are linear switches. Designed by WingTree, manufactured by WingTree. Stem material consists of a palm. Top and bottom housings consist of a PA66. These operate at a 40 grams and bottom out at a 55 grams. Pre-travel at 2.0 millimeters and total travel at 3.7 millimeters, coming factory lubed. On the stem legs and sliders, covered with a very thin coat of 205, while the springs and leaves are lubed. Hand lubed offers a 3204, 24mm single stage TTC spring, actuating at 45 grams and bottoming out at 53 grams. These molds coming from WingTree are definitely passing the test. Using a Cherry style switch opener, we can take these apart and take a closer look at each individual component. Top housings consisting of a PA66. Palm stems coming factory lubed on the stem legs and sliders. Springs that are operating at 40 grams, bottoming out at 55 grams. And bottom housings that also consist of a PA66, offering factory lube on the leaves. Taking a closer look, they're very reminiscent of Cherry MX2A blacks, which may be a reason so many people may compare them. Similar to Cherry, these are a 5-pin PCB mount switch that do come factory lubed, and the factory lube job is done much better than Cherry's, and I will say. They offer a nice high-pitched clack that offers some subtle scratch. We'll take a listen. These are currently my favorite switches offered from WingTree at the moment. Jumping into tolerances, the molds on these were done very well. As we can see, there's minimal to no vertical wobble that's happening here. And taking a look into horizontal wobble, there is slightly more movement that I can notice here. Filming these switches could be beneficial, but I don't think it would be necessary or required. Overall, they do fit nice and snug when looking into the overall tolerance fitting into plates. Stem thickness on these are also done extremely well. I'm currently using a lot of force, and there's not really much movement happening on the keycap. Passing the tests if you ask me. We'll compare these with the other WingTree Linears and Cherry MX2A blacks. With the comparisons coming to an end, we can sound test the YuYing linear switches from WingTree with the Neo 75 CU, no foams, carbon fiber plate with Kikobo vibrato. Let's take a listen.